Hello, my name is Subnis, and today we're going to be talking about the Rubik's Cube. Now, there are 6 sides to a Rubik's Cube. Yellow, which is showing now. Next would be orange, then green, red, blue, and finally white. White goes on the bottom, yellow faces up. The other sides face outwards. There are different pieces. The pieces I'm pointing to now have 2 colors on them. That one is the center piece, the one which has only 1 color. Those last pieces have 3 colors on them. Those would be called corner pieces. These ones have 2 colors, like red and white. Now, when you solve a Rubik's Cube, there's a thing we do called algorithms. Algorithms are as so. That is R. Then this would be R prime. This part's a little confusing, but make sure you follow. This is L prime and L. That's the part where people get a little confused. Up is L prime, down is R. Now that would be U, or up. That would be U prime, or up prime. And then this is F. And then this would be F prime.